Would you like to easily connect your site to Google Search Console? Well, now you can with the latest version of All-in-One SEO. We've updated the way All-in-One SEO integrates with Google Search Console. Instead of having to copying its ID and then copying that ID into All-in-One SEO, we now have a simple step-by-step wizard that will get your site connected to Google Search Console in no time. If you're not a technical person, no problem. The new wizard makes it super easy to connect your site to Google Search Console. You can relax knowing Google will be aware of your new content and any updates to your content as soon as it's published. And if you use All-in-One SEO to manage your sitemaps, with this new feature, your sitemaps will be automatically submitted to Google Search Console. If you create a new sitemap in the future or delete an old one, Google Search Console will automatically be updated. One less thing to do so you can focus on creating good content and leave the rest to us. So make sure to upgrade to the latest version of All-in-One SEO, version 4.6.2 today.